Guys, what's up? This is Azim and today we are going to take a look on this Coolermaster Hyper H410R CPU cooler. I got this as a gift, but you can buy one for yourself from Amazon for around 1700 rupees. Thanks to my love for gifting this to me. This is one of the most liked and positive review CPU cooler on Amazon. So if you want to purchase one, link for that will be in the description below. For now, let's start with the unboxing. Once you'll open the box, you'll see another box which consists of tools and fitting for the fan. Below that we have foaming which keep the fan in good protection and keep it safe. Then we have the fan itself, which is considerably large and nicely built. Then we have some paperwork and guiding manual to install it. Note, if you are new to installation of CPU fans, refer manual for any direction. Now taking a look on a small box, we have the bracket to hold the cooler. Here we have two different set of tools for both Intel and AMD. We also have thermal liquid, which is an add-on welcome to the whole package. Last but not the least, we have the back bracket to hold the fan from other side of the motherboard. So that's all you'll get in the box if you'll buy one for yourself. Now talking about the feature, it has 4 copper heat pipes to take excessive heat from the processor. Also, the whole pipe structure is covered from aluminum fins for better airflow throughout the cooler structure. Lastly, we have 92mm red fan, which is not only keep cooler cool but also look good in any combination of cabinet. Now I'll fast forward the installation part. If you want a step-by-step installation video, click the link in the description where I have uploaded the full-length video of installation, which can come handy if you are new for such experiment. For now, let's continue with this video. Now as you can see, the fan looks absolutely nice in the rig. It also lowered my CPU temperature to a normal and acceptable extent. Previously with stock fan, it was overheating causing performance issue. But now the CPU is not overheating and I'm getting a good performance out of my system. Plus it looks really nice with this red LED. Overall, a good spending to keep our system good and protected from overheating. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you really do, like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment down below for any query of this product. Again, link for buying this is in the description below. Do check it out and help the channel to grow. Thanks for watching this video. This is Azim Sheikh. Bye bye until next one.